and let's see what we got up to over the weekend. And from there, it's only tiling, still only tiling, but I hope to finish it off by the end of today, at least cutting all the tiles. So let's see what we got up to. That's if this bit of videoing, which I've never done before, works. Although I say it myself, I think that little bit of intro was okay. So where are we up to now? The big wall is virtually finished. We've got the back wall of the shower in, worked nicely, and we're quite reasonably well on here. So we're just going to cut all the part tiles today and get them all on the wall. We're corner cutting here, which is looking good. I'm quite happy with that. We've started down here on this wall as well. That's the big tile that just took an absolute age to cut. Here we have today's first little problem. In order to get on with the tiling, I put a full tile on here and I need to drill the hole for the waste pipe, which is in the plasterboard behind it. So we have to find a solution for this. Not really the right way to do it, but in order to get on with the rest of this, I did that. So what I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole from the back, which I can get to nicely, and then I shall come from the front and drill out the hole for the waste pipe. So here's the waste pipe, and if we just lift that out, it's just held in by this pressure there, turn that aside, it makes enough space for us to drill the tile, I hope. We're about halfway through now, and it's taking an age. It's about 12 minutes of drilling, and I've probably got another 10 or 15 minutes to do. I think I'm nearly through from the other side. Still no sign of that 9.5 minutes. I'm going to have to leave it there for today. The drill's just got too warm. So having bought a new angle grinder, there was one job in the main house that I've been meaning to do for many years, and thought I'd get on with it today. I'll get on with the tiling later. I should maybe finish it today. We'll have a look. Let's see what we can get done. Anyway, change is as good as the rest, they always say. So I'm going to do a bit of grinding and tidying up. These holes, which we insulated when we first moved in, are where they would have thrown the silage or the hay through to the cows. The cows and the horses would have been nose in the other side of this wall in the stall. And these were shuttered off, if you like, using these rails. This one had rusted off and had then been replaced with a piece of wood, which I knocked off a few weeks back, and that's what reminded me to do this job. But I see just here, they've just got a little bit of steel to cut through. Steel can stay in the wall, and we have the same arrangements here. I am very impressed with this tool. It's really excellent. Not to not have a lead, it's just great. Now when we come to do this wall, we can just put the insulation on here and then put some nice covering on. And we'll see.